Congratulations on the closing of your new home. We wanted to share some important insights and information that we've gathered along our own journey as homeowners. We believe that these considerations could be valuable for you and others if you are a homeowner. We encourage you to review the topics below and conduct further due diligence to see if they are relevant to you. 1. Homestead exemption. 2. Trust. 3. Life insurance. 4. Automatic mortgage payments. 5. Automate HOA dues. 6. Automate trash and sewer payments. 7. Keep homeowners insurance up to date. 8. Verify proper recording of ownership. 9. Recording notification service. We encourage you to share this valuable information with all the people you care about. Together, we can help ensure everyone is informed and prepared for whatever comes their way. If you have any questions or need assistance with anything, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help. Dadon Real Estate. Client focused, results driven. Disclosure: this video is not intended to provide legal, financial, or tax advice. As your trusted realtors, we aim to share important information and encourage you to explore these topics to make informed decisions based on knowledge and understanding. Please consult with a professional for personalized advice in these areas. Dadon Real Estate, S01729994. Fair housing.